This video is for all the YouTubers and content creators who have not only started their YouTube channel but are also thinking of ways to grow their YouTube channel or their brand. Starting with my journey, I posted my first YouTube video on 26th of September, which marks almost 1 month for me, and thanks to all of you for tendering so much of support, and I hope that you keep tendering me the same kind of support in coming days, weeks, months and years and forever. I remember when I started my journey, I always felt that I'm being quite productive, but there were days when I used to waste a lot of time watching TV and doing all the necessary things that are going to hinder my growth for my channel. Also, with so many updates that are coming for YouTube these days, especially when it comes to YouTube Shorts, and new YouTubers are not only required to make long duration videos, but they have to focus on YouTube Shorts as well these days. With so much of stuff going around across different social media platforms, it became a little necessary for me that I should kind of make a strategy for all of you on not only how to grow your brand, but how to be productive while you grow your brand, because you will definitely get different ways on how to grow your channel or your brand. But if you do not know how to manage your time well during this process, like for me, this past week has been a little confusing, because once you have this certain standard of completing few certain videos on your channel, the next step that you think of is growing your channel as well. The same thought process kind of caught me, and I really felt the need to do something about it, and I came up with a strategy and some productivity tips and time management tips which are definitely going to help you. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Welcome back, guys. For those who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Geetanjali Garg, and talking about the topic of this video, let's start my journey not only from the first YouTube video, but back then when I even thought of starting this journey. And it's been quite a lot of time that I've started working from home, and I guess it's been 4 to 5 months that I've started working from home. But let me tell you, when I just started, I always felt that I'm being very productive. I'm doing all the necessary things that I need to do for growing my brand. But there were days when I did waste a lot of time, and after I used to complete all my YouTube related tasks, I felt now that I'm done, I don't think I have to do anything else. But what I did not do was focusing my energy on doing all the tasks that are also related to grow my brand, and that somehow kind of has delayed my growth a little bit, but it's better late than never. So I kind of thought a lot about this since past week, because not only starting my channel, but now I have to think of ways on growing it. And due to that overthinking and lot of overwhelming process and new updates all over social media, I felt that why not come up with a simple productivity and time management video for all of you guys, so that not only that you can do the necessary things to maintain your YouTube channel, but also kind of organize your task around how to grow your channel. So I can come up with a lot of productivity tips and simple steps, like actually getting ready and actually showing up at work getting ready. Yes, you have heard me right. I'm talking about working from home and showing up getting ready. Now this will raise a lot of eyebrows, but I personally feel, and I would also want to give you this small suggestion but a very strong recommendation, that even if you're working from home, make sure that you actually get ready to work from home as well. Also, there's this small thing that comes in my mind which I always keep sharing with my family, which is that every place has its own energy, and never confuse different energies from different places. By which I mean, if you are eating on your bed, that's not a very good thing to do, because it is going to somehow just create a chaos in your mind. If you are sleeping on your couch or working on your dining table, that is kind of a lot of confusion and chaos in your mind and also your mindset. So make sure that if you are working, there's a small designated corner at your home. If you are a work from home person, create a small designated office space wherein you have this mindset of working, and that is definitely going to help you increase your productivity. Show up getting ready, and make sure that you create a designated space for work at home, even if you are not filming on that day, even if you're just editing, or even if you're doing all the necessary stuff for branding. Make sure that you are not sitting on the bed and editing your videos. Every place has its own energy, and please respect your work, because if you do not respect your work will not respect you. The second thing that comes in my mind is understanding the value of your tasks. Now, there were times when I started, I used to go on different Instagram accounts, like their post and comment and share their post, thinking that it will grow my Instagram account and in turn grow my YouTube channel. Whereas I could just focus on creating content on my Instagram account and also content on my YouTube channel. So these are the things that I would not want you to do. Just focus on your brand and creating content for it. For that, the first thing that you can do is make a list of all the necessary things that you need to do to at least maintain your YouTube channel, by which I mean creating videos, filming, editing, doing the admin tasks, keeping an account of all the subscriptions that you've taken from different softwares, daily mails or replying to daily mails that you have any. And I guess when you make this list, you will be able to know that these are all the basic tasks that you need to do to at least maintain your YouTube channel and keep it running. The next list that you can make after you are done with this one is making a list of all those things that are actually going to help you in growing your channel. This will include making YouTube shorts because there's a lot of demand. The supply is less, but the demand is more. You can make Instagram reels. You can definitely make some community posts. You can create an Instagram story. Not only that, you can share your videos on Facebook, create content related to affiliate marketing or content which is related to increasing business on affiliate marketing on your channel. Make a list of all the things that you feel are going to help you in growing your brand or your YouTube channel. Once you are done with making a list of all the things that you need to do to maintain your channel and all the things that you need to grow your channel, you should start rating your task from number 1 to number 5, 1 being the most important and 5 being the least important. Once you know that this certain task is the most important task and this is the task which is least important, you will start focusing all your energy to the task which is very much important. And this is what I have been doing since past 1 week. And to this, I would also like to tell you one small piece of information that I might soon come up with more videos on my channel, maybe in terms of shorts or maybe long duration videos. I'm not really sure of it, but definitely I'm thinking of increasing the frequency of my videos because I've just got an idea. By executing and implementing this small strategy, there are these certain ways with which I can kind of schedule my whole week and also work on things that are going to help me grow my channel. So I would say start implementing this strategy, make a list of things that are necessary, then also the list of things that are going to help you grow your brand. Rate all the tasks that you have made in these lists and you will get to know which is the most important task, which is the least important task. We definitely have to do the least important tasks as well because somehow they are also required for your brand, but please channelize your energy more on the tasks which are more important and that will help you increasing your productivity. The next thing I would like to tell you, once you are done rating your task and also understanding the value of your tasks, what you can do is theme your days and categorize your tasks. Like for example, I have themed my days into filming, editing, research, learning, admin, and etc. etc. Now for you, for every content creator is going to be different and specific. Like for example, if on Monday it's my filming day, then I'll make sure that I do all the tasks related to filming which I have mentioned in those to-do lists. These can be creating a long duration YouTube video, creating an Instagram reel, also a YouTube short. So if I have to film all these 3, I'll make sure that I'm just filming these 3 on a Monday and not doing anything related to editing, research, or anything related to branding or growing my YouTube channel. Next day is Tuesday, which is editing, and that is how I will categorize all my tasks. If I have to edit on Tuesday, I'll make sure that I'm only editing my YouTube video, editing my YouTube short, and editing my Instagram reel. This will only be my editing day and I will not focus on anything else but editing. This way I will know that I have to zone myself for a particular task of a particular category, and I know that Monday is my filming day and I cannot get over an excuse for that very particular day, and that has to be done. If Monday is a filming day, I have to film on a Monday and not Thursday. This somehow kind of increases my productivity and also teaches me a lot of discipline going ahead. The last step, trust me, this is a game changer. Even if all these steps above have not helped you, this one is definitely going to help you, and this is time yourself. To this I would come up with 1 hour rule, at least 1 hour rule. If you feel that 1 hour is too much for you, you can bring it down to 30 minutes, but 30 minutes is the time wherein I challenge myself that this is one particular task that I need to finish in 30 minutes. There have been times when I've taken 2 hours to make a thumbnail, and when I started timing myself, this is what I started following since last week, and when I timed myself for 30 minutes, trust me you guys, I was able to complete my thumbnail in 30 minutes, whereas it has taken more than 2 hours since past 5 weeks for me to complete a thumbnail for one YouTube video. And this is a game changer, not only for me to complete my thumbnail, but also when I time myself for editing my YouTube videos, which I also mentioned is a major chunk of my YouTube business. I remember I usually usually spend around 8 to 10 hours for editing my YouTube videos, but when I started timing myself, it got down to 5 to 6 hours, which is an incredible improvement for me and increasing my speed. So at least start making this 30-minute rule. In these 30 minutes, why I have created this 30-minute rule is because in these 30 minutes, you cannot distract yourself from anything, be it your phone. Try not to binge on anything, be it eating. Try and switch off the notifications on your phone. Don't use your washroom. Basically, keep yourself out of any distraction. And once you are done with these 30 minutes and your task, you can definitely go and use the washroom or maybe any particular kind of break that you want to take. But in these 30 minutes, make sure that you are completely focusing on that particular task that you have challenged yourself for. This will definitely change your game. Start following this and let me know if you have seen any improvement in your way of working. I am sure all these steps that I've mentioned in this video are definitely going to help you. So if you guys find this video helpful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell button so that when I come with my next video, you do not miss it as well. I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you have a very good day. I love you all.